Pat from Limp Mode Tuning. Actually just came in super clutch. He looked at my idle log and told me what was wrong. He was the one that told me I have a massive vacuum leak. Now I'm gonna put his screenshot he put up on the screen. If you look at the AFR correction, it's at 125. That's completely maxed out. It's supposed to be at around 90 to 110, but mine's maxed out. And then if you look at the AFRs on the right hand side, 16 to 17, I'm supposed to be in the 14s. So he said I have a massive vacuum leak, and I actually know why. I don't know if you can see that right there, but there's a gap. Now when I changed my spark plugs the second time, I noticed I had a gap between my block's plenum spacer and the plenum. Now the plenum, or the spacer, is like past where the plenum goes down. So I was like, huh, that's weird. So I decided to put gasket maker in here to see if there was a leak. And as you can see, it got sucked in. So that's where my massive leak's coming from. Now, the only reason for it to do that was, I think I somehow installed my plenum spacer wrong. I don't know how. Because there's no way the spacer could have warped or cracked, because I don't see anything. I don't see how it could have warped because the two bolts here are literally holding it in. So I think I might have had it flipped, maybe, because that I don't understand why. Because I mean, it all lines up, like, so I don't understand why this would be so far out. I don't know. Probably, well, this weekend I'm going to pull it all apart. I'll probably do it on Sunday, because on Saturday I'm getting a part installed that I'm pretty hyped about. It's been waiting for, and it'll be a good video to make. So I'll probably pull it apart on Sunday. But yeah, that's the reason for my shitty idle, because I have a massive leak. So yes, I'm happy to finally know what's causing it. But no, I'm not happy, because now I don't know what the deal is with this plenum spacer. And I don't want to hear, oh, it's blocks, it's cheap, blah, blah, blah. You know, that's not the reason why. It's, I think I must have just installed it wrong somehow. But, you know, when I pull it off, I'll find out. There's no way it can be warped. That's for sure. Because when I look around the entire side of the plenum, and everything matches up, you know, pretty, you know, even. So there's no reason why it would be warped. Not cracked. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. So there's the reason why.